uthola amathwasa akhe like izinto uthatha kumathwasa akhe ngeke ungitshele ukuthi ingathi ingane uyikhulisa ubuye futhi uzogebenga zona
ne
hayi yona inzima kakhulu cause nyalo njengoba sekumoshakale so ikulungise kanjani
siya welcome
Oh okay yasiyabonga gogo ndiyabonga gogo kunjani
siyaphila njani
siyaphila baba siyaphila baba enkosi ngonifake ku live ndingakhuluma ne
yes ungakhuluma
Oh okay ndicinga noba apha egroupini ndithumelele i-proof i-chat zethu kunye nobaba uSkhotheni ne uSkhotheni mna wanilanda ne wanithumelela imessage i-VN ethi angakwazi ukuthi bekandanika into enhle ne into enokwazi ukuthi bekanti anganika umuthi ostrong onokwazi ukuthi bekanti ibhizinisi yami ngakwazi ukuthi bekanti yakhula ne so now I'm that excited because ngubaba wami lo uyandiva ne then what to give is 150 so now I can no another 150 I can have 50,000 you understand then that what can okay no siya ungakwazi ukuthi bekanti ngayithumela then wabe enthumelela omnye cabe ebesele imnike isigubhu ne lo muntu lona wabe ebonga yabo and forward lo nto leyo ba okay yabonga base samsebenzele isigubhu sakhe within 3 days yeah understand okay ndamthumelela imali the following day and ndamthumelela 30k ndicinga noba ndithumelela apho ku WhatsApp lo nto leyo ndamthumelela 30k ku account ewanika yona understand so into ethi yenzeka that was June ke ngoku so wathi kum okay uzawuthetha kunye nomkhulu lo mkhulu umenzela lento le so wathumela futhi waforwarda futhi into yakhe esithi umkhulu no Skhotheni singakwazi inceda lengane yakho if uyithembile nami ke ndiyathemba yabo so okay wathi isigubhu sami ngakwazi ukuthi bekanti ndingasithola nini zasithola nge-August yabona kwinto zabe Sembalenhle uyandiva ne okay then into azona zingo-August then mina sendombhatalile i-30,000 then July then ndaphinda mfakele enye 10k so yaba yi-40,000 okay then that okay if i-10 block yona le i-10k yona ngizamtransferela masele ndinika isigubhu you understand okay ndaba ndabheka embalenhle soloko emane lalale esibabhizi you understand akade sikibe kanti uyandinika isigubhu esebekhulume ngaso okay then xa ndihamba i-weekend yaphela on Monday ndiyaphinda futhi ndiyamtextela ukuthi Skhotheni ndiyahamba ke ngoku ndibheka ndibuyela ke ekhayeni so ndizakhwela ndibheke eJozi so basifike eJozi nofanele kanti ndingadibana nawe ndilunike isigubhu akaphendula lama-SMS wabuza ibalance ba i-10k yona le i-remaining balance ibhatala kanjani athi okay no I will transfer but ndifuna uthola lento okay right ndakhwela ndabheka eJozi xa ndifika eJozi akatholakala efowunini until ibe kanti ngibuyele ekhayeni uyandiva ne so kandibuyele ekhayeni apha ekhayeni athi kum ebebhizi akakwazanga ukuthi ibe kanti uzawubuyela kum ne mara akakwazanga ukuthi ibe kanti undinikile lento lena esisigubhu phaa eMbalenhle ne so wathi okay siyenza Eastern Cape 2 weeks to come ndekanaka okay nokurati wathi ufuna ne-address zami ndamthumelela i-address zami wathi okay uzawukwazi ukuthi bekanti uzawuza nayo uzawuza naso isigubhu okay yaphela 2 weeks akatholakala ugogo akaphendula ama-SMS wami akaphendula izicall zami and understand so sahamba isikhathi ugogo ndimane ndimthindi yabo okay ndaphinda mtransferera futhi enye 10k which is yayi-50 ke ngoku you understand before ibe kanti uza ngapha ngase-Eastern Cape ndamtransfera 10k so yayi-50 okay right into ngoku yenzeka wamane lalale enganiki straight until washonelwa ingane yakhe you understand ushonelwa kwakhe ingane yakhe ndamnika ibreak bayishonelwa ingane yakhe ndamnika ibreak then after 2 weeks 3 weeks then ndaphinda mthinta yabo then akaphinda futhi bekanti uyalanduka uyathetha ne into ndisuke bekanti ndiyayenza kena so into sorry
eBokoko Thokozani Bokoko ubani modifier la ekhaya
sorry beka nje
hello Thokozani Bokoko I mean ubani moderator la ekhaya
yimi
Ngicela u-Edus Khotheni ukhona?
Angimtholi nami.
Okay.
Okay.
Thokoza
Ngingakhuluma
gogo.
ne? Ngingakhuluma?
Yeah,
Yebo.
Oh, okay.
Ninjani gogo?
So into eyenzekayo demand umfundi that no man isikhathi sekudala ngoku man simkile yabona and akasaniki mosendleni 50k esekuye you understand so okay ndakwazi ukuthi bekade ndiyanixelela ukuthi ndifuna ukuthi bekade uzanika imali yami yabo because ndiyabona mbosilo umuntu lona uba akakwazi ukuthi bekade ndiyanika yeah and understand so uzotsho dise oh ngabo December then ndathatha kuye nalanto ko nomkhulu Monde umyeni wakhe baye mkhulu Monde nale problem you understand so usikhotheni sona so now akakwazi ukuthi bekanje yaniphendula akazi ukuthi bathi now sengicela nje imali yami back yabo oh wathi Monde akasazingeni esidaba you understand okay no right sihambe isikhathi so usikhotheni wathi kum ufuna account number yami engazokwazi ukuthi bekade yantransferela le ndaba imali so namnika account kade sibe kade transfer so after 4 days ngaphinda mkhumbuza ukuthi ubufune ama account details zami so ayiboni ngoku le mali wathi ke nake no I will tell you xa bazayitransfera le mali then after 2 weeks uScotland yaphinda futhi uthi siya into yakhe rate yabo you can come and fetch it yamaka no ansawufuni kalokho lo muntu so uthatha ithuba elide anizokwazi ukuthi bekade ndingatrust lo muntu lo pose so nethuba elide ulapha ungakwazi ukuthi bekade yanike yeyivehlobo chokalo unobangela ukuthi mandisho ndithi so unethuba mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngala date le yasembalenhle ngala August I will get isigubhu sami ngeso sikhathi then ndimnika i10k yakhe which is ibe 50k imali yakhe so ngoko xa zawutsho ngoko this year ngoku ngamaJanuary ukuthi mandize ngizothatha ilanika yami umuntu wami zawuthela kanjani zawuthemba kanjani after okokonke bejikajika engakwazi ukuthi bekanti uyanika into ene straight yandana so ansawuthemba so those are the reason ezibangela ukuthi masele ndingayithi andiyifunde into le funde into le funde into le funde into le sari nguye kanye ukudla nguye you understand benikhona emagulubeni yes life yami bengekho right uyanthola mara bendikwazi ukuthi bekade ndiyaziphekela bendingadli kunye namangoma bendizidlela mina alone because situation yami ndayazi so bengafuni ukuthi bekade ngabakho ama fight elankeni emagcekeni akhe because of mina so bendizidlela in okugo thulezi bazi wonke amangoma bayazi lonto lento ba usiya ebezidlela bendizidlela lanto okuthiwa uphuthu every day you understand so okay right uScotland Mozwa thembisa ukuthi uzanika lento khona ukuze impilo yami ikwazi utshintsha yabo sona ngoku uyahamba ubheka eMalawi uyothatha umuthi for president you understand so impilo yami izakwazi ukuthi bekade iyachange okay I trust but lonto lesangeke bekade yenzeka you understand so yonke lento lena uScotland ebeyithetha izolo and khange bekade ukwazile kwayena ukuthi bekade undika ichance ukuthi bekade ndiyathetha akukho into njalo uScotland ukwazile ukuthi bekade undinika ijob after aqedile uthwasa yebona that was August was sithwase ngoJuly nge29 kaJuly so on August wanika ijob mandiye eKawash eHarrismith kuKawash yabo kunye noMonti ndiphangele phaya ne August September hey gogo bendingabhatalwa nobhatalo ayikho lento lena ayithethayo bendihlala ku-container phaya bendingabhatalwa zange abantu bhatala kwa ondibhatala imali yami yokuthi bekade ndibuyele ekhayeni ndaye ndayifumana kumuntu wayezanika ijob apho ndihlala khona Eastern Cape so ndakwazi ukuthi bekade ndiyakhwela ndabatshela ukuthi ndiyahamba ngoku so ndayishiya indawo yenu ndiyahamba ukuthi ndiyophanda khona ukuze ndikwazi ukuthi bekade ndizabhatala imali yenkomo right ndiyenzile loo nto leyo yabona ndabuya on February imali yakhe uScotland ebesele nayo you understand ehlobo ngisho ngalo imali yakhe ebesele nayo eyenkomo so understand ukuthi ngoku andithembise ngento aphinde futhi angakwazi ukuthi bekade iyanika alajikajiki ngehlobo ajikajika ngalo you understand gogo ne so ndilapha ke ngoba ndizocomplain ukuthi why angasuka bekade uyandinika imali yami back because uthembisile ukuthi uzanika imali ambheke but akakwazi. And eyana nto ndithe ndayicela kuScotland ndicela into yoba andinike noba ihafu yayo lo mali le then aphinde because mhlawumbi noba uyabethakala financial understand but akakwazi ukuthi bekanti iyayenza loo nto leyo. And izolo the way yathi sengakhona uthethisa engathi noba mna ndiyam yes ndithwasile ekuthwaseni kwami bendingenayo nix understand bendingenayo nix ukwazile. So ukuba ngaba ke ngoku ubuyisa imali yakhe yembuzi endathwasa ngayo ne then angakwazi ukuthi bekanti eyideducta kulaa mali adiducte izinto ebefuna uba ndiziyathenga for iintwaso ngalaa mali. But I'm sure there will be imali ezakwazi bephinde ibe kanti iyasheka phaa kula 50k so that ngikwazi ukuthi bekanti ngikwazi ukuthi bekanti ayifumana. Uyicacile into yoba yena ebephosisa ngela xesha ebendithembisa ngento ayazi ukuthi akazukwazi ukuthi bekanti iyanika because ebenganyanzelekanga into yoba athi kum uzandinika umuthi kanti uyayazini ukuthi le mali lena ndizawubhatala ngayo izinto bezifuneka ngeentwaso zami. So which is unoverchargile ke xana esitsho esithi sebhatalisa nezinto zami ezendwaso because ndandingenazo. Gogo izinto ezendwaso azikwazi ukuthi bekanti zingafika ku50k ayikho into enjalo. Understand because zimbuzi nokutshwalo nokutya into ebethwayo ngabangoma khona ukuze bekanti kuyathwaswa. So if uyadeducta lo mali leyo makayideducte then andinike imali yameseleyo. Hey vehlobo ntsho ngalo gogo ne because icacile yena ukuthi wayekhuluma amanga ngesa sikhathi yebo. Yadifa yes
Gogo.
Uva gogo.
Gogo njani?
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphi. Okay, Atilana, I'm sorry to interrupt, but one thing that I've noticed is that I'm not saying Wuti, I'm on her side or something, but how you guys are handling it, I'm going to eat with anything.
Yeah.
Especially, I been fair and honest with one another. There's no one who is perfect. The reason I joined the live, ngibona ugogo.
Kanti wayeshipha abantu.
No, wayesitshela ngo perfect. Vela akekho umuntu perfect for God's sake, but akusho sifana usenzile ima size sibone. Asikaze saba yidididi size sibone. Awu, yini wayicingela nje kuScotland.
Ukukhuluma guys.
Sijwela kabi.
Mamela, benikhipha abantu bangakakhulumi whatever abafuna ukuyisho. Kuba ngathi vele kugengwa pha against uScotland.
No.
No, umkhulu siyabonga ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso lakho mina mkhulu njengoba ngishila will be honest to you. Vele khona la ubhayize khona awuzange ube nama balls khona la ubhayize khona akumelanga umuntu akuhehe nga something nawe ungakazi uyibone kuyena and ungakazi ubone ukuthi nayo unayo. You understand? But for God's sake, justice uyayidinga imali yakho kumele uyitholile because lapha wawuyena inhlupheko ngoba wawugula wawungayelanga ukuthi uyoqolwa. You understand?
Yes.
But mina ngizokublame mkhulu because ngeke ungitshela ukuthi ungathatha imali engaka uyinike umuntu kwinto nawe ungakazi uyibone kuyena.
Mamela gogo ne
And mind you gogo labantu laba abaningi abathwele. Umuntu mayothwala lapha yana akatshela ukuthi uthawule ngani wena uzobuya zokwenza isilimo.
Gogo. Ndingakhuluma gogo. Yeah, listen gogo ne ndithi mna ngendlela uScotland athe kwenza ngakhona ngamso bendimtrusta go understand and uScotland uphobela wami yebona. So masele and offerisha lento ukuthi uzakwazi ukuthi bekanti iyanceda anikwazanga because nami bendidesperate. Understand hlobo ntsho ngalo gogo ne so uthe umuntu ayikhuluma ngasuka nami ndayamkela yebona. So okay ngiyaziblame nami ngalonto leyo but gogo now amanzi achithekile sendimnikile imali so yena akayenza lanto lena ebendipromise ngayo so ithwani ke into enjalo gogo.
But ke siya for the fact ukuthi kwawena ubulungisa ubenza ngecaleni angangimi nje noScotland ngeke nje nize ngime naye wena nawe bomkolota esayidini lakho so wena kade inkomo yakhe angisho kusho wena ngizwe ngawe mina
hayi man wena you told listen wena ndithi ndimbhatele inkomo yakhe before ibeka ndinika
i50k usho kanjalo ke kimi
musukula mkhulu siya musukula understand mkhulu ukuthi musukula si understand ukuthi but uzothola njani usizo if now uzorespond ngale nkonzo.
Ngiyaxolisa
awukhulumi kanjalo nami mina ngisuka
Yebo, ungakhulumi njalo, ungakhulumi
uya
njalo,
respecta la
siya.
la isemzini la kusemzini weBlamane la uzolalela or else you ship out because angiyi-understand lento ikhulumayo mina ngikhulumela based on kusho wena ngomlomo wakho wathi wena awumbhadalanga inkomo yakhe so that is why ngibuza ukuthi kwawena kusho ukuthi ube wrong bekumele umbhadale inkomo yakhe.
Kusho ukuthi nami ngizwe njalo siyaxolisa yehlisana umoya abantu abadala nami ngizwe usho njalo siyama uthi besicabanga ukuthi uthi wena bomkolota
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Tennis tossers are coming esidlangalaleni to expose uSkhotheni of kuhlukubeta nangokuaqola abantu Timali Tabo. And I'm just sitting here thinking ukuthi why were you guys so quiet all along? Now that ugogo Skhotheni decided to repent abuyele kuNkulunkulu nina senetigaxa lekufanele nikhulume ngagogo Skhotheni, why besolunithulile ngalesikhala nithwasisa? Why are you guys dragging her name now that ukhethe uNkulunkulu? Like benithulele zonke lesikhathi senikhepha igaxa netindzaba nyalo ayichashe mi having netiturnani because tento lana bekumele ngabe into lena ekhuluma kuqala sekuvele kushaye emanti nje mase nikhuluma nyalo ukuthi ngazothi nene nimvela mona kugogo Skhotheni ngokuthi gogo Skhotheni final udecide ukuthi atshintshe impilo yakhe, and people are saying ukuthi ayicha ave nani nemanga because why nikhulume nyalo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I am signing out. Goodbye.